All right, y'all. So I got a quick question. What's your favorite sub? Well, not necessarily favorite sub. What got you into car audio as a whole? For me, it was this RE Audio Triple X sub. Not necessarily this 18 that I have right here, but definitely this sub is what pretty much got me into audio. One of the reasons. A while back, I want to say probably early 2000s, like 2002, 2003. I was a sophomore or junior in high school. I was living in Florida at the time. There was this place called Jimmy's Car Stereo. They didn't sell this brand. They sold a bunch of kicker stuff, and the kicker stuff was pretty good, but they didn't have anything on display to kind of showcase how loud something would get. So I went up the street to another car audio shop, and I could not remember the name of that one, but there was this company called Obcon. Obcon sold enclosures, and they had a box called the Godzilla box, which was pretty much a fourth order bandpass type situation enclosure, but it had two of these RE Audio Triple X 12s in it, and it blew my mind. I could not believe the amount of bass was coming out of this 212 box on a small amount of power, and I really didn't care why it was so loud and so clean. I just had to have it, and I never got that sub. And then I messed around and found this from a co-worker. A guy had this 18 on sale for $300, so I went ahead and bought it just to buy a piece of my car audio history. So what did it for y'all?